Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your iPad to the latest OS. So let's just get started. Let's just go right into your settings. Under your settings you will see the very first option up there. It's going to say your name maybe, or maybe whatever name you guys put on your iPad, plus a picture. Just click right there and go to iCloud and make a backup. If you guys have no more space on your iCloud backup, don't worry about it. Hook it up to your computer, use iTunes. iTunes is a free program which you guys can use in order to update if you guys are having any problems, and also make a backup. If you are on Mac, you guys can use Finder in order to make this backup, plus update your iPad if you're having any problems. Anyways, right down here below we're gonna see General. Under General, our second option will be Software Update. So let's just tap on Software Update. And some of you might only see Install and not Download and Install. That's okay. That just means it downloaded from before. Maybe you guys clicked on it, or maybe just downloaded the update by itself. Don't worry about it. Just install it right now. This update's only 54.1 megabytes. That means it's only gonna take a few minutes in order to update. You're looking at about 10 minutes. It really does depend on which iPad plus your Wi-Fi speed you got. So let's just click on download and install. It's gonna ask you for a passcode if you guys have one. Once you put in your passcode, it's gonna start the update. If your iPad turns off during the downloading process, doesn't really matter. However, if it turns off while it's installing, that's a problem. That's when you're gonna have to restore your iPad, and that's why it's important to make that backup before you do any updates. And just in case, you do need at least 50% of your battery, and even if you guys have 70-90% of your battery, I still recommend having it hooked up to some electricity while you do any updates, just in case. So we don't want this to turn off when it's installing an update, because we don't want to go through that whole process of restoring and then putting everything back into your iPad. Right now we're just gonna wait for this to do the full download, and then it's gonna give us a message to install. During the installation it will turn off. It's gonna just restart. We're gonna see an Apple logo loading bar, and then another restart, and we're done. So it's pretty fast update. So after it has downloaded, we're gonna see install now. So let's just click on install now. We're gonna see verify, and then it's gonna turn off. After that, we're gonna see an Apple logo in a loading bar. It's gonna be pretty slow. The second Apple logo in loading bar that's gonna pop out, it's gonna go a lot faster. And then we're gonna be done with this update. Up to now, it should be about 5 to 10 minutes. It really does depend on which iPad you guys have, plus your Wi-Fi speed. After that, we're just gonna see the Apple logo, and then it's gonna restart, and we're gonna see just this. Enter passcode if you guys have one. Once you put in your passcode, that's it. We're done with the update. That's it. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.